अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। सीएम केसीआर की दुख्तर श्रीमती कविता MP ने आज पार्लियामेंट में GST पर धुआंधार बयान दिया।
रियासत तेलंगाना के ज़िले निज़ामाबाद की मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट श्रीमती कविता ने आज पार्लियामेंट में ज़बरदस्त शोर शराबे के दौरान मुल्क में जबरन लगाई गई GST पर तबसरा करते हुए बताया कि TRS हुकूमत इस बिल की तायद करती है और आगे उन्होंने कहा कि रियासतों को GST के सिलसिले में मज़ीद मराहत मिल जाती हैं तो ये अच्छा होगा। ख़ास तौर पर रियासत तेलंगाना के लिए 2017 के बिल में कुछ छूट देने का उन्होंने हुकूमत से मुतालबा रखा।
मैम थैंक यू, आपने इस बिल पे बोलने का मौका दिया है। GST का पहले से हम समर्थन करते आए मैम, अभी भी करते हैं। GST का there are a few issues ma'am in GST, particularly pertaining to states like Telangana, which are growing at 18 to 20%, are being taxed because we are growing at such a big rate. Ma'am, states which are growing under 14%, they are being benefited by the GST. But since we are growing above 14%, we are being taxed, ma'am. From the past 2 months, the compensation that Telangana government has received is only 169 crores from the GST. So I would really request the Honorable Finance Minister to look at the issues of the developing states. Sir, you understand that we have divided the states into Model 1, Model 2 in the implementation of GST and network. Telangana is in Model 2 state, sir, wherein our state's part in terms of technology aspect we are taking care. My sincere request with the government is to consider looking at the developing states in a different viewpoint, and then the base rate that you have decided at 14%, if we can have a relook at it and then understand and compare the growth rate of the states with the previous rates instead of the fixed 14%, developing states like Telangana would be compensated in a better way is what we believe, sir. Our government has fully supported in the implementation of GST and network and the GST in general, and we have worked with our people to make sure that people understand the implications of GST and the implementation process is done very smoothly. But madam, my sincere request is the GST and network till date is not implemented very well. The agency, whoever is working with sir GST and network, there are still many glitches in the software, and small traders and small businessmen are suffering very heavily due to these glitches. So my sincere request is to look into that aspect. India today is technologically very sound, and this particular agency is missing deadlines again and again. I do not think it is excusable, sir. We should really look at it. And another important point I would like to bring to your notice, sir, there is GST was aimed to make sure that the transition of goods between two states is made easy. The e-way bill, sir, which is generally generated by a computer, is not done in all the states till date properly. Of course, states like Telangana have been using e-way bill from the beginning. So there is a severe software glitch in that also, sir. My sincere request is to consider and speed up that process as well. And sir, of course, this particular bill is only looking at the motor vehicles, which we are in support of this bill. But through this, I would like to bring to your notice, sir, in Telangana, there is a particular stone called as Tandoor stone, which is a poor man's granite. And for this Tandoor stone, the slab of taxation has been raised from 4% to 28%. And once our government had continually requested in the council, it has been reduced to 18%. But it is still on a higher rate, sir. This is a poor man's granite because one SFT of this stone is only 10 rupees. It is cheaper than a newspaper, ma'am. So, garib aadmi ka kaam aane wala cheez hai. So, my sincere request with the Honorable Finance Minister to relook at reducing this. And of course, other industries, BD industry, which has been severely taxed through GST. And GST and the BD industry, 99% of the BD workers are women. So my sincere request with the government is to look at the rollback of GST on the BD industry as well. And of course, I fully concur with Honorable BJD member who spoke in respect of handloom and handicraft. minor forest produce. The GST Council has to be little more sensitive towards the poor people who are affected by this. With these words, I will conclude. Thank you so much.